Hey y'all, and welcome back to my channel. If you are new, then welcome. My name is Katie and I am a wife and a stay-at-home mom to 4 children. Today I have another cook with me video. It is one of my favorite breakfast meals ever. It is basically a dessert and it is so yummy. This day in particular, it actually snowed, so it was perfect for a cold winter morning. I call it the healthy no-bake cookie oatmeal. You will need some quick oats and some protein powder. Chocolate flavored is going to be the best, most likely. Some cocoa powder, some peanut butter, coconut oil, and honey to add some sweetness to it. And the honey is what actually makes this meal not vegan, because honey is not considered vegan.